Del Zorro Spring Creek. That's the lodge up there behind me. I'm just walking down the hill to get a head start. You could probably catch more fish if you use a nymph or a streamer or something like that, but there we are. Estancia Del Zorro. I frankly didn't even really see the heat all that well because it's a beautiful spring water for a minute. I was just about ready to pick it up, and I'd smacked it down really nice and made like a big splash and a big ring. Oh, that's a nice trout. I try to get some show that guy off right there on that dry fly right here at Estancia Del Zorro. Oh, you just got me absolutely wrapped up and tangled in those weeds. I don't know how much of it came out on video, but that was pretty crazy. Let's see if I can climb out of here. These cut banks on this place are enormous. It's tough just to get in and out of there, but I think that's part of the reason these fish get so big in here. There's so many of them. Long and staying really low because the sun is bright. And not making long casts, just pitching my beetle right up under that shady cut bank on the far side. And look what I found. Look at that brown trout right there. What a trout on that beetle right in there. Let me get him back in the water. What a rush. Piece of shade in a hole there, and I had picked the whole spot apart, and there was just one little piece of shade left, and I was staying away. Man, that is so fun. As far as like technique and things, is like, you have to come with like super realistic expectations. You're gonna see this video and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, Joe is catching all these big, beautiful brown trout, but it is technical fishing, and that's one thing I love about it. You're gonna see the fish, you're gonna see them spook, you're gonna see them eat the fly too, but casting matters. Practice your casting before you come. Get a rod that you really, really enjoy casting. That's the other thing too, is you have to practice before you come, and during the course of the day, there's gonna be a little bit of downtime between fish. You've gotta love fly casting in order to stick with this long enough to get good at it and be successful. But this has been just a tremendous outing, and I think I'm just gonna wrap it up with that fish right there.